Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to log into WordPress when your site is hosted on Hostinger. We'll start by accessing your Hostinger H panel. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website, then enter your account credentials to log in. The H panel is your main hub, offering a streamlined way to manage all aspects of your hosting and websites, making your WordPress login process much simpler. After successfully logging into your Hostinger H panel, look for the website section, usually found on the main navigation. Here, you'll see a list of all your websites. Select the WordPress site you wish to access and click the Manage button. On the next screen, you'll find a prominent WP Admin button. Clicking this will instantly take you to your WordPress dashboard, bypassing the need to enter your username and password. Another common way to log in is directly through your website's URL. Simply open your browser and type your domain name, followed by a / and WP admin. For example, your website, com/WP-admin. This will take you to the standard WordPress login page. Here, you'll need to enter the username or email and password you set up for your WordPress site. Remember, there are also variations like /login or /WP-login. PHP that might work. Sometimes, you might encounter issues logging in. A common first step is to clear your browser's cookies and cache, as old data can cause conflicts. If you've forgotten your password, Hostinger's H panel allows you to reset it, or you can use the Lost Your Password link on the WordPress login page. If a plugin is causing trouble, you can access your file manager in H panel and temporarily rename the plugin's folder to deactivate all of them, helping you regain access.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.